Welcome to Curriculum Night, guys. I am Miss Edwards, and I do teach Honors Math 3 and Honors Pre-Calculus, and this will be an overview of both classes. So, like I said, I am Miss Stephanie Edwards. This is my 19th year of teaching and my 11th year of teaching at Independence. I have a Bachelor of Science degree in Mathematics with a minor in Accounting from the University of North Carolina at Charlotte. My contact information, here's my email, stephanie.m.edwards@cms.k12.nc.us. Here is my Google phone number if you would like to call and speak to me personally, or you can also text to that number. And then here is my website that also has helpful information for the students as well. So we'll go over the Honors Math 3 content first. The overview for the class is it is a course that's designed for students who have successfully acquired and mastered basic algebra and geometry skills from Math 1 and Math 2. In this course, we discuss linear and quadratic equations, their graphs, functions, polynomials, rational expressions, and basic data analysis. We also discuss the topics of exponential and logarithmic functions with some geometry and basic trig functions as well. The units that we cover for this course are listed below. So there's 9 units that we cover throughout the semester, and you can see those listed by unit. Now, for the Honors Pre-Calculus content, the purpose of this course is to build upon the study of algebra, functions, and trigonometry that is experienced in your previous high school math courses. It will build on the students' algebraic skills and understanding of functions. We will dive into real-world problems, helping them understand functions in the course. The course is also designed for students who pursue careers in STEM-related fields, and the students who actually complete this course will be prepared for calculus, AP Calculus, and any entry-level college course. And we have 7 units in this class. You can see these as I've got them listed. So we start with functions and work our way through all the different types of functions. We go through trig and parametric equations, and then our last unit is some ACT prep that we do. So as far as the coursework expectation for my classes, the synchronous instruction we do through our Zoom meetings, and those last approximately 40 minutes. And in those classes, I usually cover a warm-up each day, and then I answer any questions from assignments from the previous day's homework. So we'll go over any questions that they don't understand during that time. At that point, that usually takes around 40 to 45 minutes. We would go into asynchronous instruction where the students are working on their own. That should last and usually last 30 to 40 minutes of them doing their notes. And those notes are based off of pre-recorded videos. Sometimes it's me, sometimes it's other teachers in my team who've made the videos, but it is videos giving the instruction for the day. As far as their assignments, they would be spending 30 minutes to probably an hour to complete their assignments in math, and this would be the same as if we were in class. Both of these are rigorous courses, and the students, it's really important that they stay on top of their assignments. I do have tutoring, or what we call office hours. So for my Honors Math 3 class, that's on Tuesdays from 2:45 to 3:15. And then for my Honors Pre-Cal class, that's on Thursdays from 2:45 to 3:15. So students have the opportunity on those 2 days to just hop on the Zoom meeting, and we'll work any problems they need. I can answer any questions that they're having with homework or just the material in general. They also have the opportunity every day to stay on during live Zoom meetings to ask questions and get one-on-one help, or at least small group help. And I tell them that every day, that if you need me, stay on at the end of the meeting and we can discuss whatever problems that you're having. So as far as you encouraging your child, please encourage them to complete their assignments daily and be prepared to ask questions the next day in our live Zoom meeting. With math, it's so important that they stay on top of their assignments, as every day is building from the day before. So if they're missing assignments, it's going to be really hard for them to ask questions in class during our live Zoom meeting if they've never done the assignment. So it really is important for them to stay on top of everything with math. Please encourage them to stay after in that daily Zoom meeting if they need extra help. I mean, our blocks are an hour and 15 minutes long, so that gives us a good 20 or 25 minutes after class that I could stay on and help them if they need extra help. And then all students should have signed up for our class Remind. If your child has not, please encourage them to do so, because it's an easy way for me to communicate with the student, and it's very easy for them to text me if they have a question. So now we're going to go through an overview of the course on Canvas. So I'll start with my Honors Math 3 page. So as you can see, this is the Honors Math 3 Canvas page, and what your student would see each day is they would come down and click Enter Here, and then all the units are listed for the students. So you would click on whatever unit that we're in. Right now we're currently in Unit 3. And then every day there's a lesson for the student to work on, and every day is dated. So basically they would just find whatever date of the day. So let's just say it's Monday, September 14th. They would click on their lesson, and then here's everything that we're going to do that day, and they know that they're responsible for the things that say required on their lesson. So that helps them know what they're supposed to do daily. I'll now take you back to the Honors Pre-Calculus page if your student is in Honors Pre-Calculus. So daily, they would see their Honors Pre-Cal class when they came in. They're going to scroll down to the Enter Here button, and then everything is broken out by units. So they would click on the unit that we're in. We're currently in Unit 2. And then every lesson is broken down by dates. So they would choose the date of today or any day. So we'll just click on this one. And then every day's agenda looks exactly the same. So it tells them what we're going to do in live instruction, and then it tells them what they're responsible for doing after live instruction. And then at the end, it tells them what their assignment is, where to submit it, and when it's due. And the last thing I would like to cover with you is how to find information for you guys. Important information. So if you can go to this website, you are able to click on students, teachers, parents. You would want to click on parents to get yourself signed up to be an observer in your child's Canvas course. So you're allowed to see what assignments are posted, what announcements are posted. You can look at their grades by going here and signing up for that. You also can go to the CMS site under the Families tab to be able to sign up for PowerSchool, to check your kids' grades there. And then we also have our Big I Believe, our Independence website, that's got a lot of helpful information as well. If you have social media, you can follow us with Twitter and Facebook to find out what's going on within Independence families. And that sums up Curriculum Night. Thank you so much for coming and joining. If you have any questions, please feel free to email or call. Thank you.